Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Moushumi. Today I'll be showing how to do sweat proof everyday makeup look without any foundation. And besides, it literally takes 8 to 10 minutes to be done. So you can definitely give this look a try. Whether it's summer or winter, sunscreen is must for your skin. So to protect my skin from UV ray, I am using here Mamaearth Hydra Gel Indian Sunscreen with SPF 50 and massaging it all over my face, taking a generous amount of it. Its gel-based formula helps to hydrate my skin and yet it's non-sticky, so perfect for summer season. You can use any gel-based sunscreen other than that to avoid any oily or greasiness. Next, as a primer, I am using Insight Cosmetics 3-in-1 long-lasting primer to close my pores, and it's oil controlled also. It's actually perfect for who has oily or combination skin. Especially who sweats a lot can use this primer without any doubt. It's affordable too, so for daily use you can totally go for it, especially during the summer season. Next, to lock my sunscreen and the primer into my skin, I am spraying a makeup fixer all over my face from Faces Canada and giving some time for drying it out. After that comes the most important part. Actually, there was a time when I used to do only this part after sunscreen application and used to go out for a whole day. If you add this technique to your makeup routine, especially who sweats a lot will definitely be benefited. Here I am applying a translucent compact powder from Sugar Cosmetics and applying it all over my face. It actually helps to absorb the excess sebum that oily skin produces and leads to sweat as well. This technique helps to make your skin dry for a long time, but if your skin doesn't get sweaty and you have dry skin, then you must not follow this technique. Next, I'll skip the foundation part here because if your skin is oily and sweats a lot, then you must follow a lightweight base. So I'm directly using the concealer here just to hide my dark circles around the eyes and all the dark spots I'm recently having due to some hormonal issues. Hopefully we'll get rid of it soon. Let's see. Now I am blending all the concealer using the flat foundation brush well and slightly covering all my dark spots and dark circles. The people who are following me for a long time must know that I am a bright under eye person. So I am applying another concealer from Maybelline Fit Me range in the shade 25 to highlight my under eye areas, chin, cupid bow, bridge of the nose and forehead, and blending everything with the same foundation brush. Now I am setting my concealer with the same translucent powder again. It helps to lock the wet products into the place so that it doesn't get oily and becomes transfer proof. And especially applying it under my eye areas to save my concealer from creasing. Not a heavy look, but just to give my face more defined shape, I am applying a bronzer shade from Color Bar Glow Crazy palette in the shade Bombshell and applying it under the cheekbones or on my forehead, on my jawline, and it has a shiny effect in it, so it adds up a glowy finish to the look. For blush, I am using the same palette and applying the blush shade on the apple of my cheeks. The most amazing fact of this palette is that it provides an ethereal glass-like glow to the skin. This palette is good enough for daily use. It's not so pigmented, rather gives a sheer touch to the face, which I loved about it. Next, I'm just filling up the gaps of my eyebrows, not giving it a very defined shape, rather just a mild touch with the help of this Arch Arrival Brow Definer from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Taupe Tom. For the eye makeup, I'm gonna do a very easy look which anyone can do. Literally anyone can do. taking this brown shade from Nicka K Pop Neon 9 color palette in the shade Oh Honey, I am just applying all over my eyelid with a fluffy brush and blending it into the skin well. If you are a brown skinned person and not a pro in doing eye makeup, can just use any brown eyeshadow and apply it all over the eyelid like this. It really makes the eyes look bright and defined. Next, with the help of a pencil brush, I am applying the same brown shade under my waterline as well. You can finish off the look here just using some mascara, but I am making the eyes a little bit more dramatic here. So using a brown gel eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics and drawing a little wing on the outer and inner corner of my eyes to give a foxy eye look. And next I am coating my eyelashes with the Maybelline waterproof mascara more than once just to make my eyelashes look more visible and bigger. Next I am applying my recent favorite from Swiss Beauty Cosmetics, the HD matte lipstick in the shade Choco Lover on my lips, as the whole look is very subtle, so a bright lipstick really gives a vibrant touch to the whole look. And again I am spraying the makeup fixer from Faces Canada all over my face to lock everything into the skin and will let it dry. So here is the final look, very lightweight and subtle, absolutely perfect for summer season. If you try out this look and the technique, don't forget to let me know that in the comment section. And it really takes very little time and it's sweat proof too. So I think this video will helpful for you guys. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts on this video in the comment section, and please like and share this video as much as you can. If you are new here, just take a moment and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.